Okay, here we have the Oakley Killswitch. I'm going to leave the band on because there's no junk around the back, because this is a collector's watch and he doesn't wear it, he just leaves it in the cabinet. So with the Killswitch, gotta be careful you don't scratch the coil. With all watches, just be careful of scratching the coil. But this little lever, you've got to pull that across towards the coil, so sometimes you can slip. Just push that across, it pops out. So the battery it takes is a 920 SW. Just going to check, make sure that's the problem, make sure it is flat. Yep, that's flat. So when I fit a battery, I put the date on it, so I know how long it's been in there if it comes back. And also then I can tell if it's my battery that's in the watch. So again, just be careful of the coil that you don't slip. I usually just push the top of the battery with my nail just to hold it in place. If I do get some fingerprints on there, I just get the Jorzaky watchmaker's blue tack. It's not blue tack, looks like it, but it is Jorzaky. It's a special putty that is used in watchmaking. So now I'm going to take the crown out, crown and stem, and I'm going to silicone the seal that's inside the crown. Just make sure it's spinning and it's all the way out in the hand setting position. And then you'll be able to push the little lever and release the stem. Okay, I haven't done one of these for a while. So there is a seal inside the case pipe, so I'm going to put a bit of silicone in there. Not too much, because you don't want the silicone to be pushed into the movement. And it's just one at the end of the crown, so I can't really silicone that. Just check around here for dirt, and also around the case pipe. You don't want that to be pushed in or get stuck in between the seals. When you're pushing it in, just give it a twist so it clicks in. Okay, replace the seal. With the size of the seal, I'll put that in the description below, and also like the movement links as well. Okay, so when you set the time, just make sure you push the crown back in and lock the crown back up. Just be very gentle with it. Just get it a little bit at the end. With these stem and crowns, the threads are really thin, so yeah, you've got to be careful. Okay, the Killswitch takes a Ronda 715 and the height is 6.5, the back of the movement to the top of the hands. So the Killswitch takes the same movement as the GEARBOX.